Hello! Welcome back to Artistro. Today we have a quick tip video on changing the nib of Artistro paint markers. We will use Artistro fine-tipped acrylic paint pens. Some Artistro sets do come with extra nibs, but you can also purchase them at artistro.com. Please find the link in the description below. It's a great tip for beginners as sometimes changing the damaged or clogged nib helps the pen to paint smoothly. Let's go! Remove the nib gently. You can wear gloves. Grab a new nib and push inside the pen. Be careful. Keep the pen vertically to avoid paint spills. Activate the paint pen and don't forget to shake the markers before every use and keep them horizontally. The paint flows smoothly and the nib works perfectly. Hope you liked our video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.